Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cheats in Dota 2 practice with bots. Cheats are useful for testing heroes, practicing spells, or learning mechanics without limits. First, open Dota 2. Click Play Dota, then head to Custom Lobbies and select Create. Click the Edit button, then select Enable Cheats. You can now start the game. Once inside, use cheat commands like spawning heroes, refreshing cooldowns, or giving gold. Cheats only work in lobbies and do not affect matchmaking or stats. Here are some of the cheat commands you can use once you're in-game. And that's how to enable cheats in Dota 2 practice with bots. Thank you so much for watching.